Creating a smoothie to specifically target belly fat in 1 week involves a blend of nutritious, metabolism-boosting, and digestion-supporting ingredients. Here's a recipe and detailed explanation of how these ingredients can contribute to your goals, and subscribe our channel. Belly Fat Buster Smoothie Recipe. Ingredients: spinach. 1 cup spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, aiding in digestion and reducing bloating. It's also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. Half pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps in digestion and reduces inflammation. It also provides natural sweetness to the smoothie. Cup Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which helps keep you full and boosts metabolism. It also promotes a healthy gut due to its probiotics. Avocado offers healthy fats that keep you satisfied and full, reducing the temptation to snack. It also provides essential nutrients and adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. 1 tablespoon chia seeds are high in fiber and expand in the stomach, keeping you full for longer. They also support digestion and are a source of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. 1 teaspoon of sweetness, add honey. While it's optional, it can provide a healthier alternative to refined sugars. 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk. This serves as the liquid base for the smoothie. Instructions: poach the spinach thoroughly, chop the pineapple, scoop out the avocado, and measure the required amounts of Greek yogurt, chia seeds, honey, and water or almond milk. In a blender, combine all the ingredients: spinach, pineapple, Greek yogurt, avocado, chia seeds, honey as desired, and water or almond milk. Blend until smooth. Blend all the ingredients until you achieve a smooth consistency. Add more liquid if necessary to reach your desired thickness. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately to retain the maximum nutritional benefits. How this smoothie can help. Nutrient-dense. This smoothie is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and assist in weight loss by providing essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. The fiber from spinach and chia seeds aids digestion, reduces bloating, and helps you feel full, thereby reducing the likelihood of overeating. Greek yogurt provides a good amount of protein, which helps in satiety and boosts metabolism. Avocado contributes healthy fats that keep you full and provide numerous health benefits. This smoothie can complement your efforts to lose belly fat. Sustainable weight loss involves a holistic approach, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. 3-day detox challenge. Download link K in description below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.